In this video, we are going to talk about how to make passive income. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Passive income is money you earn on a regular basis from work that is already completed or from work that requires little to no effort on a daily basis. Examples of passive income include royalties from books, percentages of sales made from links on your website, rent from property, or interest earned from your savings accounts. Passive income is the steady flow of cash that will build security over long periods of time. If you are currently earning an active income but have dreams of an easier or happier life, you may benefit from building a passive income. Let's start. Number 10. Work as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is one of the finest sources of passive income accessible today. The advantage is that practically every major brand has an affiliate network, so you can sell some really popular goods and make a lot of money. The disadvantage is that you only receive a commission on the sale. So, before you begin, you should conduct some research on the top affiliate marketing programs. Number 9. Make your spare room available for rent. You may rent out an additional room in your apartment to someone for a set period of time if you have one. Platforms such as Airbnb will link you with folks seeking for their next adventure. Airbnbs are chosen since they are generally less expensive than hotels, which means you can earn more passive money by offering your spare space on Airbnb. It's important to note that becoming an Airbnb host needs some upfront effort. You may need to refurbish or decorate your room before advertising it for sale. Number 8. Purchase and sell real estate. Real estate may be a fantastic method to generate passive income depending on where and when you buy. Housing prices in big cities such as Toronto are predicted to grow 10% from last year's average price of $1,054,992. By buying pre-built condominiums, you may get some lower-cost homes that will improve in value by the time it's finished, allowing you to sell the property for a profit after it's finished. Number 7. Purchase stocks. When it comes to the world's richest people's income sources, it's reasonable to conclude that stocks have played a significant part in their deep, unending bank accounts. While the act of investing in stocks is relatively passive, the research that precedes it is not. Warren Buffett reads 500 pages every day, but not just any mystery novel. Nope. He reviews yearly reports for businesses. He improves his capacity to invest in stocks by better understanding whether or not a corporation is functioning effectively. Number 6. Create an app. You've undoubtedly observed a pattern. Making things leads to passive income. This is especially true in the realm of mobile software. If you're a developer or programmer, you might want to consider designing applications as a side hustle. There are two approaches you may take. To begin, you can charge a fee for anyone who wishes to purchase your software. Second, you may make your software free and monetize it through advertisements. Number 5. Establish a print-on-demand store. Given that e-commerce is one of the most popular methods to create passive income online, including print-on-demand seems only natural. Using print-on-demand, you can sell your creative ideas on items such as t-shirts, sportswear, mugs, canvases, phone covers, bags, and more. The best aspect is that you may design your own branded products. The biggest drawback is that you must be talented in graphic design because the margins are often too tight to outsource the designs affordably. Number 4. Distribute Instagram-sponsored posts. If you have a large number of Instagram followers, you should consider posting sponsored material. Instagram-sponsored posts are pieces of content that promote a certain product or service, usually owned by the sponsoring party. Sponsors pay publishers to create and distribute material that promotes their company. The key to becoming a sponsored is to increase your Instagram followers. Number 3. Develop and market online courses. If you're an expert in a certain area or sector, selling online courses might be a terrific way to supplement your income. Whether you sell them on your own website or through online learning sites like Udemy, there will be plenty of people eager to pay to access your information. Of course, selling on platforms like Udemy makes things easier, but your course may be significantly reduced during specific seasons. This will have an impact on how much passive income you generate. Number 2. Create and monetize a blog. Blogging is another common source of passive income. Blogging has enabled innumerable businesses to make passive income through affiliate links, courses, sponsored articles, merchandise, and book sales, among other things. Building a successful blog might require a significant amount of initial effort. However, it is one of the most long-term methods of generating an audience via organic and social traffic or creating an email list. Number 1. Establish a drop shipping business. Drop shipping is one of the most successful forms of passive income. Drop shipping allows you to identify popular items on marketplaces such as AliExpress and sell them to buyers all around the world. Fill your online store with products from numerous drop shipping areas, such as fashion, home decor, and beauty. You can start drop shipping right now by signing up with Shopify. Install one of these drop shipping applications once you've created an online store to locate high-quality items to sell. So this is our today's video. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel or hit the bell icon. We will meet again with another interesting topic. Till then, stay safe and stay happy.